How to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance using Binance ID. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to send USDT from Binance to Binance using Binance ID. After you open up now your Binance app like this, now tap on this asset button. So after you come to this asset from this session now, all you have to do now, you can tap on this withdraw button. So now go to this withdraw again. So from this session now, tap on this search and search for USDT. So here is the USDT now. After you select USDT, tap on this send via email, this one. So from this option now, here it is send mode. So tap on this send mode and choose the Binance ID. So now make sure you choose the Binance ID. So from this option now, tap on now paste in the Binance ID that you receive for the person that you want to send him. After you add the Binance ID in this option now, tap on type in the amount you want to send. After you type in the amount you want to send from this option now, just tap on this send button. So if you tap on this send button from there, the person will receive the USDT. That's it guys on how to transfer USDT from Binance to Binance using Binance ID.